And that's it for this course section. In this course section, you learned how to add animations, and you learned that there are explicit and implicit animations. And you did learn how to set up your own explicit animations by creating and initializing such an animation controller, which, as the name suggests, configures and controls an animation, which you then have to start manually, and which you then can use in your widget tree to animate whatever you want to animate with help of Animated Builder. Here, for example, we animated some padding or later a slide transition, where we even used some animation data, the animation value to be precise, and translated it to different start and end values with help of Tween. We even fine-tuned the animation duration distribution by adding such a curve configuration. That's how you can add an explicit animation, and as you can see, this of course gives you a lot of control and power, but it also increases the complexity, of course. And as you also learned, often it might not be needed. Because here in the Meal Details screen, we then used Animated Switcher to switch between two different widgets with help of a key being set on the widgets, and we played a rotation transition by just adding this code here, which is of course less code than for the explicit animation. Last but not least, you also learned about this hero widget, which can be used to easily animate a widget across different screens. Here from Meal Item, which is part of the Meals screen, to Meal Details, where we also added such a hero widget. And that's how you can add animations to Flutter apps. As mentioned, definitely also take a look at the official documentation to learn more about all these different pre-built implicit animation widgets, and possibly also to learn more about animations in general if you want to. But with this section, you now got the basics down and you now know how you can animate widgets in your apps.